I'm meteorologist Chris Holcomb from the 11 Alive Storm Trackers in with you on this Sunday morning. In here with you with Chesley McNeil. We're both in studio. Wes Peary is out in Thunder Truck as we are tracking these storms that are moving through our area today. Now, we do have a slight risk for these storms to turn severe. That's level 2 of 5. Now, you'll notice that yesterday we were telling you that we would be in an enhanced risk, which is level 3 of 5. So it's been downgraded slightly, but don't get caught up on that downgrade because under a slight risk, there is still a good chance for strong thunderstorms with damaging winds, also maybe some isolated tornadoes. We just don't think they'll be as widespread as they would have been if this was an enhanced risk. So one thing that we're looking at is, number one, damaging winds possible with thunderstorms, but then also non-thunderstorm wind gusts due to the pressure gradient with this system as it moves in. Those wind gusts are going to be kicking up even not in thunderstorms. We're talking about 15 to 20 mile an hour sustained winds with gusts to 35 miles an hour. Those would be strong enough to bring down some tree limbs, maybe some brief power outages that would be scattered around. So secure any loose objects out there for today. So here's a timeline of what we're watching here. This starts at 7 in the morning as we've been tracking those storms coming in from Alabama. You can see them moving in. This is at 8:30 into West Georgia. These are some of the storms that will have some moderate to heavy rain, gusty winds, damaging winds possible, also the potential for some isolated tornadoes. Here you can see it coming in, getting closer to Atlanta in the mid-morning hours, stronger here on the south side, still some storms on the north side as well, but maybe a little weaker on the north side. And then by lunchtime over Atlanta, moving over to the east, any of these cells at any time could have some rotation with them. And then it moves on over to the east. This is by 4:30 in the afternoon. We're looking better in Atlanta. Watching over to the east, though, toward Augusta and for the Masters, still some of those storms moving through. You know, they moved up a lot of the tee times today to hopefully get the Masters finished before those storms come in. And then we're watching the potential late this afternoon of a secondary line of storms to develop along with the frontal passage. At this time, those don't look like they're going to be as widespread or as strong. And then everything clears out later on tonight. And then tomorrow's looking good with decreasing clouds. Cooler air, though, with high temperatures in the upper 60s. So here's what we're watching in the 7-day outlook. Today, a 4 on the wasometer. Those showers and storms moving through, clearing out tomorrow, cooler at the upper 60s, and then warming back to 76 on Tuesday, mostly sunny, and 11 on the wasometer. A 10 Wednesday with a few more clouds. Then the rain chances coming back late Thursday, and Friday is another day with showers and storms possible here. And then that will move out early on Saturday with improving weather conditions as we head into next weekend. Watch 11 Alive. We'll be here with you throughout the morning, throughout the day, with continuing weather coverage. We'll also have coverage on 11alive.com and Facebook and Twitter.